Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, measure 1 cup milk and place your saucepan on low heat. Combine 1 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon sugar in a small bowl, add a pinch of salt. Whisk a few drops of warm milk into the cocoa until a smooth paste forms. This avoids clumps. Once done, pour that paste into the saucepan. You act quickly to control temperature because heating milk too fast scalds it and ruins texture. Now bring the milk to about 65 to 70 degrees Celsius, just below simmer while whisking constantly. Pour the cocoa paste in slowly and whisk in steady circles. This emulsifies cocoa and milk so you get a glossy, even drink. If texture seems thin, simmer gently for 30-60 seconds while stirring. This concentrates flavor. Make sure to taste and adjust. Add more sugar or a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla for depth. Finish by pouring hot chocolate into your mug and frothing the top if you like foam. Use a handheld frother or whisk. Aim to serve at 55 to 60 degrees Celsius so it's warm but drinkable. Garnish with a light dusting of cocoa or cinnamon. That adds aroma. If the drink turns grainy or separated, don't panic. Reheat gently and whisk vigorously, or pulse briefly in a blender to re-emulsify. That single troubleshooting step fixes most texture issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.